Alright, I got the 6 set up here. I'm going to test the zoom and see how well the graphics are with the zoom on. So it'll let you zoom in 1080, 2.7K, 1440K, but not 4K. So 30 frames per second, 60 frames. The frame doesn't matter, it's the resolution. So you can, I'm assuming 720 also, but we're not using 720. So can zoom in 1080, 1440, and 2.7K. So I just want to see if it actually looks good zoomed all the way in. So first I'm going to do 1080 and going to show what it looks like zoomed out like right now. Then I'm going to zoom halfway in, walk out there, and then all the way in. And then I'm going to do the same thing for 2.7K. Okay, so this is 1080, 30 frames a second, and there's no zoom. Okay, so that's about halfway in. Zoomed about halfway on 1080. Actually, you can't zoom while you're recording, which I didn't know before I bought this thing. You have to zoom first and then go out of the options and then you can record. So unfortunately you cannot zoom while you're recording. So now we'll zoom it in all the way on 1080. Okay, that's zoomed in all the way on 1080. Okay, 2.7K, no zoom. .7K zoomed about halfway in. Okay, that's 2.7K zoomed all the way in. Okay, so there's all the zooms. Hopefully it looks good. We'll see. I'm going to do a few more tests with the GoPro. I'm going to test stability control. I already have another video up. I'm going to test 4K, see how it looks. Just some different stuff.